Hello everyone, so if you want to set up your new Redmi Note 13, so first of all, you are to activate it by pressing on the power button. Now as you activated it, press next. Here you're to choose your language. For example, let's choose English. However, you choose the language which is going to be the most suitable for you. Keep on next. Now you are to choose your region, so usually it detects automatically depending on the region where you bought the phone. However, you can choose it manually, of course. So choose your region. Now go through privacy policy and user agreement and agree to it if you're satisfied with everything. You can insert this your SIM card. However, I will skip this step for now. Now you're to connect to the network. So choose the network which you know password to and simply enter it. So after you've entered your password, simply press connect. Now it will be connected to your network. Press next. Now it will prompt you to copy apps and data from your previous phone or your previous Google account. I'll press don't copy. However, if you want to, you can just press next. Now you'll be prompted to enter into your Google account, so enter your email. Now you will be prompted to enter your password, so enter your password and press next. Now press next. Choose who will be using your device, you or your child. I will be using my device, so I'll choose this option. Press agree or not, because you can read through Google Terms of Service. Alright, now you will be prompted to add some Google services, so once again, choose whether to give them permissions or not to back up your device data, use location, allow scanning, install updates and apps and so on, so press accept. Now you are to choose your search engine. I'll choose Google, press next. Now you're to choose your screen lock, so you can set the screen lock, set the fingerprint or face unlock. However, I will skip for now. Now this device is almost set up. You will be requested to add up some new applications. However, I'll press leave and get a reminder because we've already basically set up our device. So here we go through your basic settings. If you're satisfied with everything, press next. Choose your default launcher. You can choose between classical Xiaomi and iPhone-like or more Samsung-like style with a drawer. I'll stick with the classic one. Give your phone 1 minute. Your new Xiaomi Note 13 on your 14 MIUI system. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.